Hello student, today I am going to teach about the subject Money and Banking class 11 chapter 1st and it part 6. We will study about the demerits of barter system. Barter system prove advantages in certain condition only when society is not developed and money has not come into existence. In the previous part, that is a part 5th of chapter 1st, I have taught about the merit of barter system. We know that barter system only possible when the society was backward and money was not existence. In such a situation, barter system can be possible, but it is a very big demerit for the barter system. The first, there is following demerit. The first is a lack of double coincidence. Under barter system, we had to find out such person who can fulfill our need, that is, he is the owner of such commodity which we do need. Searching such person was not an easy task. This point said that I know that I have a wheat and I want to take some rice, but I don't know about the person who are selling rice. It is very difficult to search those such person who are selling rice. It is very difficult for searching such a person to who have such a commodity which are needed by me. So it means I think this point will be clear. The second point is lack of measurement of value. How much quantity of one commodity should be exchanged for the other commodity? This was very tactless questions. There was no answer of this question because there has no any such common measurement in existence which can measure the value of all the commodities. Toughest question. It means that at the time of barter system, in the barter system, it is very difficult to measure the value of the commodity. Today we know that today we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. But in barter system there was no such a measurement who can measure the two commodities. We know that the price of two commodities should not be same, should be high and should be low. Like two person A and B, A and B. A sell rice and B sell wheat, and the price of rice is different and price of wheat is different per kg. At, at in the barter system, it was very difficult to measure the value of the commodities. That is a lackness of barter system. The third point is lack of divisibility. Lack of divisibility of commodity was also a very big obstacle in the path of barter. Some of the commodities like animals, birds, mainly cow, goat, etc., should not be divided. They were bounded to lose their utility after division because their death was certain after division. Divisibility in barter system, divisibility of the commodity is not possible. It is very difficult to divide the commodity. Such commodity can be divided, but there are certain commodity which cannot be divided. That is a cow, ox, goat. It cannot be divided. If any person want to take goat, the goat can take full goat, not a half. And in compared to goat, he can take another goods. He can give another goods. So divisibility is the biggest problem in the barter system. The fourth point is a problem of storage. Future is uncertain, therefore even if every person want to save something for future out of the present earning. But in barter system, storage of these goods like the grain, fruit, vegetable, milk, meat was a big problem to store these products. We know that the future are totally uncertain. We don't know about today situation is different and yesterday was different situation and tomorrow will be different. So we should prepare for future and we should ready for the future's problem. But in barter system, these problems these are not taken in barter system. Some goods cannot be kept for the future purpose, and I hope all the point will be clear. If you have any doubt in any point, you can ask question. Thank you, class.